Medallion Homes is now offering new homes for sale at Hampton Lakes in Sarasota, Florida. This quiet and peaceful community offers 3 to 12-acre lots, yet is only minutes from downtown Sarasota and Main Street in Lakewood Ranch. The Barbados model has 2,800 square feet, with numerous elevations to choose from. It comprises 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a large 3-car garage. Next to the large formal dining room, the Barbados offers a truly elegant kitchen with a built-in butler's pantry. The kitchen is bright and spacious and perfect for catering to a large party. The extended master bedroom suite includes modern detailing, a spacious master bath, and has direct access to your outdoor living space. Also included is a private den just off of the master. To fully embrace the Florida lifestyle, an optional in-ground swimming pool is available with outdoor kitchen and a roomy patio area, all enclosed within sleek screening. The Barbados offers 3 unique floor plans for you to choose from. We're ready to take you on your private tour today, so you don't miss out on this peaceful gem. We invite you to download your free buyer's guide. We reveal how to save money, how to avoid the pitfalls many buyers fall into when buying a new construction home, and we offer a step-by-step guide. To get more information about the Barbados, or other new homes in Lakewood Ranch, Sarasota National, or Palmer Ranch, please call Ivan or visit our website at newhousesarasota.com. To see more new construction homes in the Sarasota, Florida area, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified of new homes for sale.